Today I'm unboxing and assembling this swing set. I'm doing it inside because it's cold outside, but of course you can set this up outside and play with it out there. The instructions make it simple and easy to set up, and it is a very strong and sturdy swing set. Just a word of advice about these side legs. Make sure that this part is sticking away from sticking to the outside of the swing set, and do not screw these together until you've inserted this, or you'll have to unscrew it all. I've got the main body of this swing set put together, so I'm going to do the swings. You insert these poles into the little pockets. Once you get the poles into the mat of the swing, you attach the ends of the ropes through. Make sure that when you're putting the pipes together here, you leave the larger rectangular opening on the top so that these can fit in nice and snug. And then you put the bottoms on there. Then you attach the swing to the top of the A-frame pole and the other swing. And now we're ready to play. Here's the finished product. That was quick and easy to put together. Very strong and sturdy, lots of thick metal supports. Make sure you anchor it to the ground when you're done. It does come with anchors to help you get that secure in the ground and not tip over. So this is a great swing set for indoor or outdoor, especially on the cold, rainy days or the really, really hot days. Your kids can stay inside and play on this and just have a great time. So I'm gonna go get my kids and let them try it out.